whole home air purification during new home construction is the most effective time to create durable indoor air quality improvements that reduce allergens and protect long-term health. Start by planning in-duct, high-efficiency particulate air-rated systems sized to the home's airflow and duct layout, because correct sizing prevents pressure drop and maintains HVAC efficiency. Specify minimum efficiency reporting value 13 plus filters in a dedicated filter cabinet with gasketed seals so bypass does not erode performance, and choose filters with a recommended face velocity under 500 feet per minute to avoid excessive resistance. Integrate ultraviolet C lamp modules inside the air handler and near the cooling coil to control microbial growth and improve coil efficiency, but design service access and safety interlocks so lamps can be replaced without disturbing other systems. Evaluate balanced energy recovery ventilators or heat recovery ventilators to provide controlled, fresh air while recovering sensible and latent energy, using continuous low flow with boost modes tied to occupancy or pollutant sensors for efficiency. If considering ionization, select devices that are field tested for minimal ozone production and install them downstream of filtration so they complement particle capture rather than replace it. Commission the combined system with airflow measurements, filter pressure drop baselines, and a simple maintenance plan that lists replacement intervals, lamp hours, and ventilation filter cleaning to ensure sustained performance. A common mistake is undersizing filters or ignoring pressure drop, which reduces airflow and system life. Fix this by calculating system resistance and specifying compatible filter frames and fan curves. Another issue is placing ultraviolet C lamps where condensate or airflow will mask effectiveness. Correct placement is inside the air handler near the coil and provide access for routine lamp replacement. The third concern is relying solely on ionizers or a single technology, which leaves gaps in particle and gas control. Address this by combining high-efficiency particulate filters, targeted ultraviolet control, and balanced ventilation so each technology covers its limitations. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and share practical project knowledge related to whole home air upgrades. Our site also helps contractors find work and participate in a discussion community where we exchange real-world installation tips, product experiences, and maintenance strategies.